Let's say if you have a business or you own a website, you sure would need some kind of email address, some kind of professional domain based email address to communicate with your clients, to inspire confidence that this is the authenticated user sending the email on this company's behalf. So you sure would need a professional domain email ID. So today in this video we will learn how to create your own professional domain email ID, and we will also learn how to link it with Gmail. So yeah, let's get started. Let us divide our video into two parts. Part number 1, that is creating the business email address, and step number 2 or part number 2 is to linking up it with Google. So before we start this entire video, we need to have a hosting service that supports at least few email addresses. But in our case, we are using Bluehost's hosting service, which gives us infinite email addresses. Do check out the first link in the description to avail the offers. So yeah, let's get into our computer and start with the process. With first process being logging into our cPanel.
First, go to your cPanel, log in by entering the user ID and password of cPanel. You will see a dashboard. You need to scroll down until you see the email section. Click on email accounts, then click on create. Enter the username that you want and enter your password. Remember, this password will be used in further steps, so you have to be careful about what you are entering here. At last, click on create and congratulations, your business email is created. You have access to the mails through cPanel only, but you can make things much easier by linking this business email with Gmail. Now to link the business email with Gmail, log into your Gmail account if you have already, or you need to create a new Gmail account. To create a new Gmail account, go to accounts.gmail.com, create a new account, enter the necessary details like first name and last name, enter your password, fill in the details that are needed and click next. Agree to the privacy terms and tada! Your Gmail account has been created. Click on Gmail and a new tab shall appear. Now let's link this business email to a specific Gmail account. Click on settings icon and then go to see all settings. Next, go to accounts and imports option. Here you can see send email as. Click on add a mail account, a new window shall appear. Enter the business email that was created before. Follow the same steps as me. Select import mails from other account. Click next. Add username, which is your email ID itself. Enter your password that was used in the previous step. POP server will be your mail dot your domain name. Next, we need to enter the port number. The port number shall be 995 unless specified by your hosting company. This shall be common to all. So now the first box is leave a copy of retrieved message on the server. We will keep this unchecked. It is up to you to choose this option. Second box is always use a secure connection, or you can say SSL, while accessing the mail. We will check this box since SSL is an important safety feature. The third box is label incoming messages. There are few preset options from which you can choose, or you can create a new label. We will create a new label and call it as test. Fourth and the last box is archive incoming messages. I will suggest to keep this option unchecked. Next, click on add account and tada! Your business email has been linked to Google for receiving mail. Now it asks, would you also like to be able to send mail as your business email ID? We will click on yes, obviously. We will click on next step, add your username, password. This time we will select the port as 465. Check the option of SSL and click on add account. It will ask for a confirmation code which has been mailed to you by Gmail team. You need to check your inbox. It may take some time. Once received, enter the confirmation code or simply click on the link and then click on verify. all of the above steps are done. Now your business email ID has been linked to your Gmail account for sending and receiving mail. To send mail as your domain, click on Compose to compose a new email. Since we have successfully linked our account, we will be able to see options to select in From tab. You can select the domain address to send mail as. So yeah, that's how you can easily set up a business email ID and link it with Google.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed this entire tutorial, and if so, give this video a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Mission Critical. We will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.